C is often called a middle-level language, but what does that actually mean? Imagine you're developing a game. High-level languages like Python can help you quickly prototype the game mechanics, but they might not give you the performance you need for a smooth experience. On the other hand, using assembly language would give you maximum control, but it would be extremely time-consuming and complex. C strikes a balance. You can optimize critical parts of your game for performance, while still writing code that's relatively easy to manage and understand. So, if you're a tech enthusiast looking to get your hands dirty but not buried in the weeds, C is your go-to language. It's the best of both worlds, giving you the power and flexibility to tackle a wide range of programming challenges. So, next time you think about learning a new language, give C a shot. It might just become your favorite tool in the box. C reduced the gap between low-level and high-level languages.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more.